Today I'm going to walk you through how to add your customer list to Google Ads so that you can create audience signals for your PMAX campaigns and also retargeting audiences for other campaign types. So all you have to do is a really simple setup, yet is very important. This is going to be your main audience source pretty much in your Performance Max campaigns and your main remarketing source on most campaign types. So all you have to do really is come to Shopify. If you use other e-commerce provider, just go to your customer section. As you can see under customers, you're going to go to export, the export option. Here you're going to see all customers. You simply leave as is. CSV for Excel, that's good. Also, if you want, you can do plain CSV, and then you just hit export customers. Once you do that, they're going to take about 30 minutes to export that list and send over to your email. So you can expect 30-40 minutes to receive this list. Once you receive it, all you have to do is go to open up the list. Open the list they gave you. One thing I recommend is copy the columns, the full columns, and add them to a Google Sheet like this. I found that is much more reliable, and when uploading to Google Ads, the process is much smoother when we have on a Google Doc, a Google Sheet first. Something to do with the formatting, I'm not quite sure why, but it seems smoother to me. So the key information you're going to want to upload to Google to give the intelligence, the full picture about your ideal customer is first name, last name, email, zip code, and country code and phone. Those are all the columns you need. Make sure to have all of them. Sometimes phone is quite hard to have for all customers. So just upload for the ones you have. You can leave some columns blank, no problem. So for the first name, you just leave first name, as I mentioned. One thing you come across sometimes is some of the rows, you're going to see they have a comma here, and this causes an error when uploading your list to Google. So it's quite hard to spot the error at first, but just make sure whenever you see a comma, just remove it and leave like this, because if not, Google won't allow you to upload the list. So what you can do if you have a big list is just Command F and then search for commas. If you see, you just go one by one and delete them all. Okay, it happens sometimes when exporting from Shopify. One last thing to notice is that they are really strict with formatting. So phone numbers, you have to add the country code here, as you can see, 1, and then the number formatted correctly. If there's even one little thing out of place here, they won't let you upload the list. So make sure everything is formatted correctly. Once you do, you're going to simply come here to File, Download CSV. That's when you go to Google Ads. So now on your homepage here, your main dashboard, you're going to go to Tuesday Settings, Audience Manager under Share Library. Here, all you got to do is click Add, Create Remarketing List, Customer List, and here you can give it a name. So I usually do Shopify customers list, and then the size of the list, because I want to know the size of the source of this audience. So in this case, for this client, is 46,000, like this. You just data type, select the type of data, pretty standard. You just leave the first one, emails, phones, and mailing address. Here you choose the file you just downloaded. So just like this, you're going to see the file here. You can even see some instructions, how they like you to format it. As I explained to you, country code, zip code, the name, phone, as you can see, very well formatted, and the email. Then you just close this, agree with their data terms. Membership duration, no expiration, you just leave like this. Description, same thing. Upload and create, and you're going to see that your list is going to be uploaded. Your customer list has been successfully saved, 2 rows, and then you just click done, and now you have your audience. So as you can see here, it's going to show populating. That's because Google needs some time to match the emails with the actual customers, the actual Google users that you just uploaded. So it does take some time, especially if you have big lists. Sometimes when we are uploading a list of over 100,000 customers, it does take 1-2 days to get ready. With smaller lists, should be no problem. So this is how you add your customer list to Google Ads, from exporting to Shopify or other platforms to being saved on that account and populating. So I hope this was easy to follow. I hope you are able now to upload your customer list to Google Ads and leverage it in your campaigns. Thank you so much for watching. If you need help with your Google Ads, check out the first link in the description. We are going to improve your Google Ads results by at least 50% over the next 90 days. If you want more information on that, check out the first link in the description. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe. We are posting a lot on Google Ads for e-commerce, performance max campaigns, and so on. So make sure to subscribe, give me a like if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next week.